Welcome to ReviewZen. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best portable Bluetooth speakers based on quality, smart features, durability, price, and real user reviews. Smiling face with sunglasses sparkles. Check the description below for more details, and don't forget to subscribe to ReviewZen for more awesome tech reviews. Now, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Tribit StormBox Micro 2 Wireless Portable Speaker. The Tribit StormBox Micro 2 is a compact yet powerful portable Bluetooth speaker designed for outdoor adventures, travel, and everyday use. Featuring Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, IP67 waterproof protection, custom EQ settings, and TWS pairing, it delivers impressive sound quality despite its small size. With a 10W dynamic driver, up to 12 hours of battery life, and a wireless range of up to 120 feet, this rugged speaker is perfect for bikes, motorcycles, camping trips, and outdoor parties. Its durable ABS plus PC/TP construction and convenient handlebar mount make it a reliable companion wherever you go. Number 2. Divoom Ditoopro Bluetooth Pixel Art Speaker. The Divoom Ditoopro is a unique Bluetooth speaker that combines powerful audio performance with a customizable pixel art display. Featuring 15W output, surround sound support, and a compact retro-inspired design, it delivers immersive sound for music, gaming, studying, and everyday entertainment. The interactive LED screen allows users to create pixel art, display animations, and use practical features such as alarms, notifications, and timers. Compatible with smartphones, tablets, laptops, and desktops, the Ditoopro offers a fun blend of creativity, functionality, and high-quality wireless audio in one stylish device. Number 3. Soundcore Select 4 Go Bluetooth Shower Speaker. The Soundcore Select 4 Go is a compact and portable Bluetooth speaker built for outdoor adventures, travel, and everyday listening. Despite its small size, it delivers rich sound with bass boost technology and a dynamic 45mm driver for enhanced audio performance. Its waterproof design makes it ideal for camping, hiking, kayaking, beach trips, and even shower use. With Bluetooth connectivity up to 30 meters and an impressive 20-hour battery life, this lightweight speaker ensures reliable entertainment wherever you go. Easy app controls and durable construction make it a convenient companion for both indoor and outdoor activities. Number 4. Marshall Willen 2 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The Marshall Willen 2 is a rugged and ultra-portable Bluetooth speaker that delivers the brand's signature sound in a compact design. Built for travel and outdoor adventures, it features waterproof and dustproof protection, a built-in microphone for hands-free calls, and up to 17 hours of battery life on a single charge. With 10W of output power, dynamic audio performance, and easy Bluetooth connectivity, the Willen 2 provides clear, powerful sound wherever you go. Its lightweight construction, fast USB-C charging, and iconic Marshall styling make it an excellent companion for music lovers on the move. Number 5. Ultimate Ears MINIROLL Ultra Portable Waterproof Bluetooth Speake. The Ultimate Ears MINIROLL is a compact and durable portable Bluetooth speaker designed for music on the go. Featuring stereo sound, waterproof and dust-proof protection, shock-resistant construction, and wireless stereo pairing, it delivers impressive audio performance in a lightweight package. With a Bluetooth range of up to 131 feet, 40 meters, and up to 12 hours of battery life, the MINIROLL is perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, parties, and everyday listening. Its portable design, reliable connectivity, and rugged build make it an excellent choice for users who want powerful sound wherever they go.